Okay, today I want to share with you a very important tool that you may want to add as part of your toolkit when you first get started in your freight broker business. Allow me to clue you in on what I'm talking about here. Let's say, for example, you hired a carrier to pick up a load. He went over and everything went well with the pickup, and now he's arrived at his destination. He gives you a call and he says, hey, they're requiring $200 for a lumper fee. Or he could say they're requiring a restack fee or a pallet fee. All of these are common occurrences. So in the event that that happens, what the freight broker does if he has an ESS account or he has a ComData account set up is he simply goes into his account like I'll show you here. For example, I have my EFS account pulled up. I'm going to go in and I'm going to click issue money code. Okay. Now, when I go in and issue a money code, all I'm doing is I'm going to put the total amount in here. Let's say I put $200. I put issue to the facility that I'm dropping at, and then on notes I'll put whether I'm paying a lumper fee or I might be paying a restack fee or a pallet fee. I'm just going to put that in there to note what I paid. And then I'll go down here and I'll click this button that says issue money code. Now what will happen is it'll go up here and it'll populate an EFS money transfer code in the amount of $200. Now all I have to do is send that in a text message to the carrier, and he gives that to the facility, that number code. They put it on an EFS check, verify that amount, and now you have the money to pay for that fee. Most facilities are not going to allow for you to pay with cash. At least most of the facilities where we operate at. They don't allow for cash payments to be made. So you're going to be in a bit of a jam as a freight broker if you don't have an EFS account or a ComData account, some way that you can pay for that fee electronically. Okay, so it's a good idea to have an EFS account or a ComData account. I'll go over here and show you the ComData. I don't have a ComData account, but this is what the website looks like. You can just go to comdata.com, take a look at it, and give them a call if that's what type of account you're interested in applying for. If you want an EFS account, you can simply go to www.efsllc.com. Take a look around, give them a call, and if you're interested in setting up an account, they may be willing to set up an account for you. So that's what an EFS account and the ComData account, that's the purpose that they serve. You know, now they have a lot of other things that you can do with those accounts, but I'm simply talking from a freight broker standpoint and being able to pay your bills electronically. And not just fees that are associated with downloading or restacking. You can also pay a carrier. If you wanted to pay a quick pay through your EFS account, you can do so. You know, you can simply go in and put in, you know, the amount. You know, you might say issue to the trucking company here, and then you'll put line haul from wherever it's picking up to where it's going. And now you have a record that you've paid that carrier. Once you create that money code, you give him the money code, and now he's paid. That's simple. So that is a way that you can use to pay your quick pays. Now, of course, you can do it through your factoring company as well. If you have a factoring company, you can allow them to do the quick pay and you know, use their service. But you definitely want, in my opinion, an electronic option in order to get your bills paid, because sometimes you're not going to have the option of cash. Yeah, you could ask your carrier, but if you didn't make him aware, you know, of having to pay a lumper fee, then he may not be in a position to do that. So it's a good idea, in my opinion, to have electronic options when it comes down to paying fees. And when you do have those options, you can get those, you know, situations taken care of without having to cause yourself undue stress. So that's what we wanted to share with you today. See you at the top, because the bottom is much too crowded.